Okay, we're running out the clock, the final hours of July. We need a notary public. You know why? It goes in the books as the coolest July on record. A little below average as far as rainfall as well, but still a decent amount. Everything looks green. Just look out your window, confirm it. Temperatures, they'll warm back into the low to mid 80s here as we roll into the month of August, but it's what's in the rear view mirror that grabs your attention. Today may be another that we can add to this, but 17 days where temperatures stayed in the highs in the 70s. We've not had a single day at 90 or above yet. Temperatures overnight, upper 50s to low 60s to begin the month of August. Your drive to work, pretty uneventful. Generally partly cloudy, outlying areas, some patchy fog possible. Temperatures quickly begin to warm up. 64 by 8 a.m., 69 at 9. Chance for thunderstorms mainly afternoon and evening, not just Friday, but Saturday as well. Saturday, a little better chance. See how random these are? 1 o'clock in the afternoon firing up, then 4 o'clock, you're just kind of dotting the landscape. I'm not intimidated. We'll be out there the RTB6 day at the Indiana State Fair. It's opening day at the State Fair. Could be an interruption, but I think we'll get lucky. 79 in Peru, Muncie 79, your Friday high. Temperatures lower 80s, Bloomington and Columbus. If you look at the weekend, the chance for thunderstorms on Saturday, 40%. Then as we get to Sunday, we start to warm things up a little bit. I wouldn't call the 7-day forecast hot, but it is warmer, where temperatures will be back into the low to mid 80s. Saturday, you'll see more shower and thunderstorm coverage during the afternoon and evening hours. Then we'll turn toward a dry pattern for a few days. We'll emerge and start the new work week with temperatures at 82 and partly sunny skies on Monday. As we get to Tuesday, temperatures starting to make a move. We'll be back into the mid 80s with a little more humidity in the air as well. If you look at the 7-day planner, chance for thunderstorms will slide back into the forecast as we get to Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, just a slight chance, a better chance for thunderstorms on Thursday. Thanks for watching.